fathers are, mothers are, mother is grandmothers are, mother's father is grandfather. This is a nuclear family. It has a father, a mother, and one or two children.